Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Executive Director of the Economic Growth Council is blasting farmers for not embracing export markets as they should. Auburn Hill says while food imports balloon, local farmers have been neglecting markets where demand is high. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
As farmers lament competition from food imports, Executive Director of the Economic Growth Council, Auburn Hill, is criticizing them for neglecting the export market.
We can't grow enough sweet potato to send to Britain. Not nearly enough. In fact, the sweet potato that we're exporting has fallen rather than growing. We should, and Britain can take the High Commissioner from Britain, who I played tennis with this morning, tells me regularly that they would love to see a lot more exports coming from Jamaica and agricultural exports.
Mr. Hill is also criticizing the farmers for not producing enough of the goods needed in the local market. He says that's why the country's food import bill is so high.
We import $840 million worth of agricultural products a year. We don't have to go nowhere for market. We import red peas. We import everything you can think of that we don't have to import.
In the meantime, there's also a call for more local investors to invest in agriculture.
We want to make sure that more Jamaican investors step up and invest in agriculture.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Let's look at currency trading now. The US dollar is selling for $133.59. The Canadian dollar is going for $100.20 and the euro is going for $152.53. And we're moving on to oil. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in March went up by 30 cents to settle at $54.47 a barrel. And we now turn to the stock market. If we could switch that, thank you. The JSE index gained 247 points today, while the junior market index is up by 12 points. Among the winners, T-Tech, Radio Jamaica, Pulse Investments, Mayberry Investments, and SSL Venture Capital. On the losing end, Dolphin Cove, Stanley Motor, Consolidated Bakeries, Cygnus Credit Investments, and the Wysinca Group. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.
The Business Day.